Hey everyone, this is Hayden and welcome back to the blog channel. Today, I went out and got a couple purchases, but before I show you the purchases that I got, I want to show you Super Mario Party Jamboree. This game just launched today and I just picked this up from GameStop and I cannot wait to play this game. I'm so excited to be doing some Let's Plays of this game for you guys. I'm going to be doing so many Let's Plays of this game. So, it says here, a party jam-packed with fun. So, this game contains 7 boards, 112 mini games. 112 mini games, wow. So, there is quite a lot of content in this one. So let's get this opened up. Let's see here. Come on. I always mess this up. Maybe I can. There we go. I just needed to press down into this part a little harder. So let's get Super Mario Party Jamboree unwrapped. I cannot wait to do some Let's Plays of this game for you all. I'm going to be doing quite a bit. Of Let's Plays of Super Mario Party Jamboree. That there for now. Okay. Alright, so let me just get this out. Let me make sure so this game includes a 3-month subscription of Nintendo Switch Online. So if you guys want that code, you can pause that, and one lucky viewer will get this code. And there. If you want that, if you want the 3 months membership, you better put that code in now. Only one person will be lucky to get it. Okay. Along with Super Mario Party Jamboree, I also, since that I pre-ordered the game from GameStop, I got a bonus. I got a Super Mario Party Jamboree keychain, and it's a dice block from the game. This is a keychain, which is pretty cool. And this was a free bonus since I pre-ordered this game from GameStop. So let's get this opened up. Pretty cool keychain. Okay. My God, I hate these things. They're so hard to open. There we go. There. Wow, man, look at that. This is cool. Super Mario Party Jamboree block. Number 5, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is a pretty cool keychain. I really like this. It's really nice. It's really cool. So yeah, the Super Mario Party Jamboree content Let's Plays will be coming on my Let's Play channel. So be sure to stay tuned for that. So just set this here for now. Next, we're gonna do another unboxing. This is Legend of Zelda Game Card Case XL. So this holds all your Switch games. This holds up to 24 game cards and micro SD. Sweet. Be right back. Alright, I got a pair of scissors, so let's get this opened. I want to try not to damage the box too much. Okay, got that. All right, there we go. Now if I can actually get this opened. Oh my gosh, these are really hard to get open. Okay. Oh no, hang on. Okay, all right, I finally got it loose, so now I can just get this out. Come on, man. There we go. Okay, so this is let's see. Oh, gorgeous. I love it. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so this is the Legend of Zelda game card case, and it holds up to 24 Nintendo Switch games. So you simply flip this down, and it opens just like that. And you can also just leave it like this, and also just open it like that. And this stores all of your games and your memory cards. Pretty cool. I have been needing this for a while. If I ever go on vacation again someday, I'm taking this with me. Wow. And this slider opens. Whoops. This opens and it locks into place. Really nice. Awesome. Put that on my bed for now. Get that cleaned up. Okay. This is an awesome Switch case. Next, I want to show you, I found Uncharted 3, Drake's Deception from GameStop as well, for the PlayStation 3. I'm a huge Uncharted fan. This is the Game of the Year edition. But I highly doubt the code works. Oh, this is just for an online pass activation code. I don't care about that. So I got Uncharted 3, Drake's Deception. Pretty cool. Next, this is the last purchase. Yes, Ant-Man pop figure. I love Ant-Man. This looks so cool. So let's get this unboxed. Oh man. trying to be very careful here. There we go. And here he is. Wow. I love how detailed he is. He looks awesome. And it's a bobblehead. Really, really cool. Wow. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this unboxing. Put everything in here. Yeah, put everything in there. So that's everything for the unboxing. So, a little quick recap. The Ant-Man pop figure, really cool. Uncharted 3 for the PS3. Legend of Zelda Nintendo Switch game card case. And Super Mario Party Jamboree. I'm so excited to be doing some of my Let's Plays of this game. So head on over to my Let's Play channel. I will tag it in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And I will be doing some Super Mario Party Jamboree Let's Plays very soon. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.